Okay, guys, here you go. Today we're gonna take a build the number quiz. So on your piece of paper, you want to draw your 6 lines, 3 digits, decimal, 3 more digits. You want to get your numbers 0 through 9 written down or little squares made, however you like to do it. I would suggest that as I go through these, it's kind of fast and it's hard to keep up with sometimes. So you might want to stop the video and go back and replay it if you need to. Sometimes when we're doing this, for myself even, I have to write the numbers down just so I can kind of see what I'm working with. And you're welcome to do that. You can always stop and pause the video and do that. All right, so here's our number. First one, pick up one more than the number of sides on a pentagon. I repeat, pick up the number that is one more than the number of sides on a pentagon, and you're going to put that in the tens place. You're going to put that in the tens place. Okay, next one. You're going to pick up the difference of 11 and 7. The difference of 11 and 7. And put that in the hundredths place. The hundredths place. Okay, the third one. Now you're going to pick up the number that is double 4.5. The number that is double 4.5. And you'll put that in the thousandths place. You're going to put that in the thousandths place. All right, so far you should have 3 digits written down. One in the tens place, one in the hundredths place, and one in the thousandths place. So now we have to fill in the rest of the blanks. So here's the clue to do that. With the digits provided, so all the rest of your digits, I want you to make your number the closest number you can to build 555. So with the spaces you have left, you want your number to be as close as possible to 555. Okay, good luck. So write your number down and email it to me. Don't forget to put the decimal point where the decimal point goes. Email me your answer. I look forward to seeing them. I hope I get lots of hundreds. This should be an easy 100 for you guys. All right? Bye.